Rough Country's UTV drive belts reduce slippage, increase horsepower capacity, and offer more responsive engine braking. And installation couldn't be easier. To get started, remove your clutch cover. If your old belt is still intact, it might be a good idea to verify your clutch sheaves are operating as normal. Using the correct secondary sheave separation tool for your vehicle, separate the sheaves of your secondary clutch and remove the belt from the clutch sheaves. After cleaning the surfaces of the primary and secondary sheaves and ensuring your new belt is clean, install the new belt. Remove secondary sheave separation tool and collapse the secondary clutch. Reinstall the clutch cover and then reinstall the clutch vent if equipped to complete installation. Rough Country highly recommends breaking in your new CVT belt using 2 heat cycles. To do this, ensure your vehicle is on flat terrain and slowly bring the machine up to normal operating temperature by letting it run for about 20 minutes, being careful not to exceed 3/4 throttle during the process. Then let the belt and machine cool down completely, which usually takes about half an hour, and run your machine through the same cycle for a second time. These belts offer ultimate flexibility, longer belt life, and cooler running temperatures, making the Rough Country UTV drive belts the ultimate solution for upgrading your UTV's performance. Get yours today at roughcountry.com.